Hello, welcome to Miss Mitchell's Number Stories Challenge. This story says, Maya has 3 packs of gum. Each pack has 6 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum does Maya have? Now, in order to attack this problem, I'm going to go line by line and see if I'm able to represent each line with a drawing. For example, the first line says, Maya has 3 packs of gum. Am I able to draw this with a picture? Yes, I can draw 3 packs of gum. I'm going to take my writing utensil and draw 3 packs of gum. This represents 1 pack. I'm going to label so I don't forget what it is. 1 pack. Another box, that's another pack. Now I have 2 packs. And lastly, 3 packs. So great, I've represented the first line. Maya has 3 packs of gum. I see it, 1, 2, 3 packs. Next line, each pack has 6 pieces of gum. Each pack has 6 pieces of gum. Am I able to represent that in my drawing? Yes, I can. I can draw 6 pieces of gum in each pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how I label the numbers on the inside of my circles, just for me to keep track of how many circles I have so far. I know that's 6. I can see the numbers. 2, 3, 4, count with me, 5, 6. Now you count all by yourself. Good. Maya has 3 packs of gum. I see them. 1, 2, 3. Next line. Each pack has 6 pieces of gum. 6, 6, and 6. How many pieces of gum does Maya have? Now it's time for me to count the pieces of gum. I know that these large boxes represent the packs, but the question doesn't ask me how many packs there are. And I know these small circles represent the pieces. Each pack has 6 pieces. How many pieces of gum does Maya have? This question is asking me to count how many pieces she has. So I'm going to count all the pieces together. Now, there are many ways that I can count this. I can count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I can do it like that. Or I can count by sixes. I can go 6, 12, 18, if I'm at that stage and I know my multiples of 6. Let's say that I am a really, really young one and I don't know my multiples of 6. I'm going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Notice how I labeled on top of each piece of gum. That way I do not miss any of them. I counted accurately. Then I get to write my answer. Maya has, there goes my total, the last number I wrote, 18 pieces of gum. And I put a little box around my answer. There we go. And now I want to write an equation to match my drawing. I'm going to write an equation, or you can call it a number sentence to match. So here I had 6. In this pack I had 6 pieces. And in this pack I had 6 pieces. And I'm putting plus signs in between because I put them all together. So 6 plus 6 more plus 6 more gives me a total of 18 pieces. See that? And that is my answer again in a box. I hope you can try that all on your own.